Okay, so here we are. Forget what part we're up to now, about part 7. It's Droid at Multirotor Forums with me ongoing DroidWorx SkyJibLight X4 build. I've sorted out the issues with the batteries. I just didn't have enough oomph in the batteries. I have fitted the AV200 with tilt control with the Skyline. I've changed the props from 14s Torx power Beechwood props to 13 by 6.5 APCs for now, and it seems a lot better. Get a bit more flight time out of it, and it's certainly more responsive, which was my original feeling. So I suppose we'll have a look at the Skyline in operation. I ain't got a camera operator at the moment, so I'll have to just do it wide and see if I can get it in GPS and have a little look at it. So yeah, without more to do, let's give it up. Okay, so try and zoom in a bit. Right at the neighbour's building. So you can't really see it in this light, but yeah, I'm really happy with it. So now I need to get a camera on it and see what it's doing with the camera. But right now, yeah, I need to sort the gains out and things, but I've not really had much chance to say. I've only got one set of batteries at the moment, so, but yeah, Skyline works well. Not bad, quite happy with that. With yellow lights flashing because I forgot to set my voltage, but I'm at 14 volts now. So with no load on it, I'll bring it down. Remind you, my TX alarm hasn't gone yet. So I'm dead on 14 volt now, so I'll bring her in. And yeah, 10 minutes 21 seconds with no load on 8004 cells, 30C. So we'll see if we can improve on that, but I reckon I'm going to get a good 6 minutes there with a 550 on it, and yeah, we'll have to have a see.